Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the dash screen display fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox. Guys, we're talking about that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find that fuse relay. We will talk about where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays. Guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now, guys. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, the dash screen, the dash display, fuse relays, we'll show you where you can find them. Okay, today will be a really easy job, you will see why. But before we start, we'll demonstrate on that Chevy Equinox. Quick advice, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. What you need to do, open the front right door, guys. When you do that, you're going to come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, and on the side of the center console, right here, you see that's a cover. Just open it, guys, and underneath is the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here, okay, let's explain which fuse we need to check for the dash screen display. Fuse numbers are a little bit confusing. They go like that, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, and they alternate 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? And then you go, guys, okay, and you need to check one fuse. We're going to talk about the fuse first, and we're talking, so that's fuse 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, fuse number 15. You see that fuse, 10 fuse, that's the one that you will, guys, need to check. What about a relay? You don't have a relay, you have only that fuse, that's known as a relay fuse. If you still have problems with the dash screen display, you may want to check the radio fuses, guys, because that could be another reason why the display screen doesn't turn on. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing to see where to find these fuses as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.